this is the piece that is the quick connect on the Fords. I believe General Motors is a similar one too. A user had asked about getting the white piece off of the assembly on the heater core. So when you remember my other video here, just squeeze this, and what'll happen, it says enough room to fit on the assembly, the nipple off the heater core, but when you squeeze these will separate. Now the component that's on the vehicle, this piece here, the original one is probably going to fill with dirt and stuff like that and might give you some problems, but I assure you that all you have to do is just squeeze these tabs here, okay? And then these will separate. Now the other problem that happens is this stays on the heater core nipple, and to get this off, so there's a ridge that these clips will stay on, that they'll hang on to. So all you gotta do is you gotta spread this. It may break, the original one may break, but remember, you're replacing it. It's the only reason why you're taking this off. So you gotta spread it and take it apart, and then it'll come off the nipple.